I'm Colwyn. Today we have liquid death. Death dust. So I guess instead of them just doing cans of water, they're also doing Kool-Aid. Alright. Got this over at Ross. It was I want to say like $8, normally $12. There are 12 packs in here, so at $12 they're about $1 a package. Okay. Let's see here on front. Electrolyte drink mix, 300 milligrams sodium, 5 essential vitamins, only 35 calories. Rise from the dead. We've got 3 different flavors, I want to say. Convict melon. I'm not. Okay, convict melon is one of the flavors. These deranged sticks of electrolyte drink mix won't just brutally murder your thirst. They'll also pump you with enough essential vitamins and electrolytes that you'll rise from the dead and no longer be a brain-eating zombie. Instructions. Mix 1 stick pack with 16 to 20 ounces of water and mix thoroughly before attempting to rise from the dead. I will be using Great Value brand water for this. I don't know if that, is an appropriate thing or a rude thing maybe. I mean, they sell Liquid Death at Walmart, so I want to comment. That is some freaking brutal metal AF artwork there. It's a Grim Reaper dude peeling off his skin off his face, his eyeballs melting out, his other eyeball is being stolen by a miniature Grim Reaper, his heart's being stolen, there's other variants of miniature Grim Reapers crawling out of his flesh. I mean, like, holy crap, is that what's gonna happen to me if I drink this shit? Brutal. 11 servings per container. Serving size 1 death stick. Murder your thirst. Total fat 0. Saturated 0. Cholesterol 0. Sodium 13. The unlucky number. Total carbohydrates 3. Like the Trinity. Yeah! Trying here, I really am. Total sugar is 8 grams, included 8 grams added sugar, 16. Sweet 16. It's when you murder the virgin. Yeah! Vitamin D, no D, 0 D. It's actually kind of sad. There's no D. I can't get some D. No calcium, no iron. Only 4% potassium. Man. All the best ones they don't got. Vitamin C, 90 milligrams, 100%. Niacin, 24 milligrams, 150%. See, these knobs go up to 11. Vitamin B, 2.6 milligrams, 150%. Vitamin B, 3.6 milligrams, 150%. Pantothenic acid, 10 milligrams, 200%. And magnesium, 40 milligrams, only 10%. That's brutal, man. First ingredient is, of course, sugar. Cane sugar. It's critically important. You use regular sugar, the entire thing is fucked. Dextrose, citric acid, natural flavor, sodium citrate, potassium citrate, sea salt. Magnesium citrate, vitamin Z, absorbic acid, silica dioxide, stevia leaf extract, vegetable coloring. Because it's important that your death powder be the right color. Vitamin B3, niacinamide, vitamin B5, pantheric acid, vitamin B6, pyrethroid hydroxide, vitamin B12, cyanidae, manufactured for Liquid Death, Los Angeles, California. Now they do have a piece of tape on top. Oh, bloody fucking hell. Bloody fucking hell! You're just jealous because I sound like a rock star. The flavors are right here up on top. We've got Mango Chainsaw, the aforementioned Convicted Melon, and Severed Lime. So, one is a construction tool, one is a criminal status, and the other is a severed fruit. I mean, okay, I mean, chainsaw convicted severed. Now, also, oh, and they have them, and they're right there on the front also. Wow, okay. The packaging is designed in such a way that it be severed and peeled. And I am going to attempt to cut the box up. And so we've got Convicted Melon. Uh-oh. Severed Lime. Where's the other one? And Mango Chainsaw. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead. We've drank the Convicted Melon. We've stewed the Mango Chainsaw. And this occurred to me. I'm a dude in a shiny squid in a void of darkness and misery. It's kind of metal. Not terribly metal, just mildly metal. And I have metal right here, so that helps. Let's put some metal on screen. This video is officially metal. The powder flows. The spice flows very well. Okay, so we did the Convicted Melon. Now we're doing the Mango Chainsaw. It smells like mango. Mango drink. Stronger than the other stuff, but still, like, when I think of something being metal, I think about being, you know, obnoxious and in your face and this stuff's really friggin' mild. Like, it doesn't taste bad, but if you're into drinks, it's got a mango flavor to it. It's all right. But I've had stronger stuff. Give it a try if you like the idea of heavy metal powdered drink stuff. I don't think it's even worth the $8 that I paid for it, but you know, I'm gonna enjoy drinking them. Alright, I'm Colin. It's my Space Squid. Yes, I didn't introduce you or outro you last time. I'm sorry. Okay? What? What? You want a medal? This whole video's metal. Maybe try some Liquid Death Dust Mango Chainsaw. It's alright. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Hey, so a little follow-up with the Liquid Death stuff. doesn't really give you a whole lot of long-lasting energy. Like, you feel it tingling in your mouth, and you kind of feel it, ooh. But I think that's really more of a sugar rush than anything else. Yeah, there's a lot of good vitamins and minerals in there, but a lot of that stuff's just going to get pissed out at the end of the day anyway. So, I mean, I don't really get any type of energy surge. Good God, my hairline. Fuck you, I have hair. Kind of. Leave me alone. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.